Let's move now to the key vocabulary in the video. And let's start with video 1, which is the see what these mean. Here, what you have here is the agent. That's the flavivirus, which is responsible for a disease called West Nile, and also the dengue fever. The bird here is a reservoir of the West Nile virus, and this person here is a reservoir of the dengue fever. So the reservoir does not necessarily have the disease, but they have this virus that causes the disease. They might not be sick, but they have the virus. And then you have the mosquito that bites these reservoirs and then transmits the virus to other people or animal. So the mosquito is the vector because it is transmitting it from the reservoir to another person or animal, and these become hosts. So these are the main vocabulary items in video 1. Now let's move to video 2. So video 2, which is on HIV/AIDS, we have first some medical terms. We have immunodeficiency, which is the weakening of the immune system. And the immune system, as you already know, is the defense system of the body. As important word here, the antibodies, which are blood proteins produced when the body is attacked by some alien substances like bacteria or viruses. We have risk factors, which are things that increase the chances of developing a disease. Next, we have opportunistic disease, which are diseases that take advantage of an already weakened immune system to affect the body. As an important expression, contaminated blood, that you certainly already know, pretty straightforward. Tissue transplant, also pretty straightforward. And then you have the antiretroviral therapy, which is the treatment that is followed by those who are HIV positive. Next to these medical terms, we also have some other expressions that are not necessarily medical terms but are useful. First, we have to be at risk. In the video, you will hear a number of people are at risk for HIV. What this means is that many people have high chances of getting HIV. Next, you have the verb take over. And in the video, you will hear, as the opportunistic disease take over the body, one ends up with AIDS. What take over means here is that as the opportunistic disease spread over the body and weaken the body, one ends up with AIDS. Another word, you have pathway. In the sentence, HIV can be transmitted through several pathways. Pathway here is just a synonym of medium through which HIV is transmitted. And finally, you have the adjective achy. One may feel feverish, achy, and sick. Achy here just means feeling pain all over the body. That's an adjective that comes from ache.